Welcome to Dubai, where the future rises from golden sands, where every corner tells a story of tradition and transformation, and where GoJetter Travel and Tours makes your short stay unforgettable. One-day transit tour, perfect for stopover travelers. Meet and greet at Dubai International Airport. Comfortable transfer to your hotel or stay location. First stop, Dubai Frame. The world's largest frame and a photo opportunity you can't miss. Cruise along the historic Dubai Creek, a timeless trade route. Discover the charm of Old Dubai at Al Bastakiya, the Al Fahidi Historical District. Drive past stunning landmarks. Burj Al Arab, Jumeirah, the sail-shaped luxury hotel. Jumeirah Mosque, a symbol of Islamic architecture. Atlantis the Palm, sitting proudly on the Palm Jumeirah. Scenic Jumeirah Beach Road, Hamdan Gallery, and Mall of the Emirates. After your city discovery, transfer back to the airport in time for your onward journey, a smooth, seamless, and enriching layover experience. 2-day Dubai Excursion. Dive deeper into the magic day one. Airport meet and greet by our team. Check in and settle at your hotel. Explore Dubai's iconic sites, Dubai Frame, Dubai Creek, and Al Bastakiya. Panoramic drive past Burj Al Arab, Jumeirah Mosque, Atlantis the Palm, and more. Return to hotel and prepare for an unforgettable evening. Desert Safari Adventure. Get picked up for a thrilling desert journey. Experience dune bashing across golden sand dunes. Try camel rides, sandboarding, and get henna tattoos. Relax at a traditional desert camp. Enjoy a delicious BBQ buffet dinner under the stars. Watch live cultural shows. Tanura spinning dance, belly dancing performance, mesmerizing fire show. Return to your hotel for overnight stay. Day 2. Leisurely morning and checkout, departure transfer to Dubai International Airport. Leave with unforgettable memories of the City of Wonders. Your Dubai experience tailored by GoJetter Travel and Tours. Private airport transfers, personalized attention throughout. Authentic local experiences in a modern city. Let us turn your layover or weekend into an adventure you'll never forget.